Hello, welcome to our video series on how to make better movies. I'm Lani.
And I'm Jackson.
I'm Donnell.
And I'm Madison.
In this video, we are going to have a look at some editing tips.
We're going to be using iMovie as our editing tool. Please keep in mind that some buttons or features may or may not be available depending on what version of the app you are on.
Alright, let's dive in.
This section is going to be a screencast, so you can follow along in app.
First up, we are going to open iMovie and create a new project. We want to choose a movie so that we have full control over it. Once here, you can choose any videos you want to add to your movie. Let's do that now.
Once we have all our videos in, we can trim or cut bits out. We do this with a touch where we want to trim. You can see how the footage gets a yellow highlight. We then can press split and it cuts the footage. If we wanted to delete the first bit, click it and press delete.
Next, we can add transitions to our movie to make it more professional. Please don't choose crazy ones like this. Choose neat and clean transitions such as dissolve or the simple theme. That way they don't distract from the movie.
We can also adjust the volume of the footage if it is too loud or too soft. We can do that by pressing the clip, volume, then adjusting until it sounds right.
Titles are important to a movie. We can add titles by pressing on the clip, choosing titles down the bottom and then selecting the one we want. To edit the text, press on it and choose edit. Then you can type in the movie name.
Once we have our movie ready to share, we need to export it. We export it so it's the highest quality and it means there will be less chance of it messing up. To do this, press done to go back to the menu. Then we share button down the bottom. Choose save video. If you get the option to choose a quality, choose HD or 1080p. Do not choose 4K as it will take too long. Once it has exported, you will find it in the photos.
That's it, we are done. Your movie is finished.
Thanks for coming on our journey with us.
We hope you learned something new.
And we look forward to seeing all your movies.
See you next time!